Alright guys, so as you can see, I have here a nice size snapper. So I had to cut this in two pieces, guys, because look at the size of this fish. It is so huge. So I have to cut it in half in order for it to fit inside the pot. So here, I'm starting to prep the fish. It is so huge. Alright, so here we're removing all of these fins. Also, I want to remove one piece more off this tail because, oh my god. We have this ready, so we're gonna get this washed up, alright? We also have a piece of lemon. You can use lime if you have. And to this, we're also gonna add some vinegar here. And make sure you clean them up nice. Alright, so now that I've washed the fish, it's now time to season up. But before, I just want to put a couple slits in the sides, okay? This will allow the seasoning to soak deeply inside the flesh. So here today we're just using some all-purpose seasoning, just for startup, yeah? Get some inside of the guts of the fish as well, yeah? I'm gonna get some inside the slits as well. Alright, so we're going to leave this to marinate a little bit. Okay, so the very first thing we're going to use is some onion, yeah? Half an onion should be okay. Here, we're going to wash off these vegetables and stuff. Everything is washed up and nice. We have here some bell peppers. Next, we're gonna add some pumpkin. Alright, we have a piece of carrot. We have some fresh thyme here. We also have a hot pepper. We have some scallion. And we have the okra, yeah? Just gonna remove the head of these. And these, we're just gonna cut them in two, like that, yeah? I'm gonna add a piece of this bell pepper again. Alright, so with this I'm gonna add some olive oil, guys. You don't have to, but you can use straight butter. But I like to use at least some olive oil to at least saute the seasonings at first, yeah? Alright guys, so we're gonna come in with the onion first things first. And I want you to pay close attention here, guys, because this is where you build up layers of flavor, alright? In order to get the perfect steamed fish, alright? And if you make it this far in the video and you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, go ahead and hit that subscription button for me, guys. Like this video and also leave your thoughts in the comment section, okay? Also have here some chopped garlic. Next up, I'm adding the potatoes, I'm adding the carrots, and that scallion as well, alright? We have some pimento seeds here. We have some onion powder here. We have some garlic powder here. We have some more of that all-purpose seasoning, because we want that sauce to taste so good, okay? I'm gonna get that little sweat out of it as well. This is flavor packing, okay? This is what I call flavor packing. Got the fresh thyme here. Alright, so now I have some hot water, guys. Alright, so you see that? Just keep bubbling right away, guys. Here I have a fish soup mix. I'm going to add some of this, not all of it, but just a little. And I don't want the noodles inside of it, guys. That's why I'm using the strainer to take out the noodles, alright? But if you want, you can just throw the whole thing inside of it, the noodles and everything. I'm going to mix that out. So now you want to come in with the fish. And like I said, this fish is very huge. You can see that, guys. huge fish, okay? That's the reason why I cut it in half. Yeah? Now on top of this, we have the pumpkin. The pumpkin cooked very easily. That's why I didn't saute it at first with the other stuff. So I just add this with the okra, yeah? Build up all of that flavor first before we add those in it. I have a hot pepper here, so I'm just gonna put the hot pepper in it, alright? Also with this, I'm adding some cuts of butter. Alright. Just like that. Top of this, I'm gonna put some black pepper. I didn't saute the black pepper in it because I don't want to sneeze. Alright. Now so a little crushed pimento just for the extra flavor, alright? So we're gonna cover this now. See here, half piece of yuca. And with that, I have a ripe plantain as well, okay? Alright, so now we're gonna bring these to the pot, yeah? Alright guys, so in goes the sides. Alright guys, so this is gonna take another 10 minutes to finish the yuca and the plantain because I just put those on. Alright, the fish, I put it on a lower flame in order for the vegetables to steam through properly, okay? But if you make it this far in the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up on the video, guys. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed as yet, and stay tuned for the finished product, alright? Okay guys, so here is the finished product. Oh wow, nice. Add some of that pumpkin, add some of that okra, a little bit of everything guys. You have the carrots, a little bit of everything, make it look nice, huh? That ripe plantain, some of that yuca. And just like that guys, dinner is ready. Alright guys, so there we have it, another beautiful finish again. This is how I make my authentic Jamaican style steamed fish, okay? So make sure to leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed as yet, and also leave your thoughts in the comment section. Let me know if you guys would give this a try, okay?